Yes, welcome back to another presentations, my dear student. In today's presentation, I would like to solve some of the very important questions that have been asked from in previous examinations, right? So this is the one of the question taken from the old question paper. So, as since last two or three presentations onwards, we are discussing about the differentiation, right? So, based on that differentiation topic, I want to solve some questions in today's presentation. So, out of that, okay, first example, let us see differentiate 1 plus ex by 1 minus ex. So, this is the given function you are asking differentiate this given function, right? So just I will quickly solve this for your benefit. So how I can solve this? So given expression, what is that? Given expression, you write the same. It is 1 plus e power x by 1 minus e power x. Am I clear? You can write in a bracket individually, numerator as well as denominator. So otherwise, na, you will feel little bit confused or difficult to simplify that. So for the numerator as well as the denominator, for both these terms, you just keep in a bracket like this. Now you are asking that to find out d by dx of, that is the meaning of this differentiation. So that meaning is d by dx of 1 plus e power x by 1 minus e power x. We have to find out. That is our question now. We have to find out this d by dx of 1 plus e power x by 1 minus e power x. How we can solve this? So I will erase this and I will solve this now. Very simple, very simple. Always remember, as I already told you, that if you follow my presentations very clearly, definitely you should get the concept and definitely you will have the enough confidence to solve the question. That's why requesting all that please follow with utmost care. Right. So now the solution is that d by dx of it is 1. What is the question? It is 1 plus e power x by 1 minus e power x. Clear? Any doubt in this? So, if you can see this, obviously it is in the form of u by v. This is in the form of u by v. That is d by dx of u by v. You already know this. Very familiar formula. What is this formula? General formula. V into v nothing but denominator part. V into du minus u into dv by v square. If you remember this formula, if you remember this formula, in the same formula, we have to substitute these two terms. So, if you compare this particular expression with this is our general formula, 1 plus ex is nothing but your u. So, here, right, what is your u? U is equal to 1 plus ex. What is your v? V is equal to 1 minus e power x. Am I clear? Then substitute in this formula wherever v and du are there. I already told you that du nothing but d by dx. Don't confuse. Du nothing but d by dx of u. Dv nothing but d by dx of v. Right? Therefore, so this is the u. 1 plus ex you have to consider as u. 1 minus e power x you have to consider as v. Then if I substitute those two terms as per our formula, right? So directly I will solve this. This implies, right? Therefore, as per our formula, then simplify this. What is v? V nothing but 1 minus e power x. This is my v into du. Du nothing but what? d by dx of u. What is u? U nothing but 1 plus ex. Getting? Okay. This is v into du. D nothing but d by dx. U nothing but 1 plus ex minus what is u? 1 plus e power x, right, as it is. This is u into d by dx of, what is that? It is 1 minus ex by what is v square? What is v square? 1 minus e power x whole square. Okay, what I did? Nothing, nothing. Simply, I have substituted every these two terms in our general formula. This is v, 1 minus e power x into du. D nothing but d by dx of u minus this is u into dv, d by dx of v by v square. Okay, this implies. Now tell me, 1 minus e power x is 1 minus e power x only. Clear? Therefore, d by dx of, then put another bracket, d by dx of 1 plus e power x. So, nothing but what? D by dx of 1 plus d by dx of e power x. D by dx of 1 plus d by dx of e power x. You can write separately as you have two terms. You can write d by dx of 1. Remember, I already told you in the previous presentation that 1 is a constant. 1, 2, 3, 4, any number, we have to consider those as a constant. Therefore, d by dx of any number or a constant is always 0. Therefore, d by dx of 1 is 0. Getting? D by dx of 1 is 0. Therefore, what you remained here? D by dx of e power x. And here, I mean, remind you that, remember, d by dx of e power x is e power x only. Derivative of e power x. E power x is a exponential function. If you take the derivative of the exponential function, the answer is exponential function itself. Therefore, d by dx of e power x is nothing but e power x only. Okay, e power x only, right? Then minus 1 plus e power x, right? 1 plus e power x as it is into, put that bracket open here, d by dx of 1 minus e power x. Now tell me, now you tell me, you people should answer me, d by dx of 1 minus ex. And as we have two terms here, one is 1 minus e power x is the second term. Therefore, d by dx of first term, d by dx of 1, it is a constant, therefore 0. D by dx of 1 is 0. Minus is there, you can put that minus here. Then d by dx of, okay, minus I already wrote here. Then d by dx of e power x, same as here only, no? Therefore, d by dx of exponential function is exponential function only, e power x. Clear? By 1 minus e power x whole square. See how step by step I am explaining. So please try to understand very clearly. If any doubts, confusions are there, don't forget to give back to me in the form of comments so that I will address you in my subsequent presentations. Right? So, okay, then what is the next step? What is the next step? What is the next step? So, the next step is like this. This implies so e power x, so 1 minus e power x is multiplied by with e power x. I can write like this, no? E power x, I am writing this e power x just before e power x into 1 minus e power x. Can I write like this? This e power x I just writing before this, term, that is nothing but e power x into 1 minus e power x. Nothing wrong. This e power x just I have mentioned here before. Then minus symbol is there. You can, okay, this is the minus symbol. This is the minus symbol. Here minus is there. Minus into minus what? It is plus. Clear? And here also e power x is there. You write e power x. In bracket you write. Then what is this? 1 plus e power x. Correct? By what is this? 1 minus e power x whole square. Because it is v square. V square. Clear? Then what is the next step? What is the next step? And this is the final step. This implies, see, this is the term actually first term. In first term we have e power x into, in bracket we have 1 minus e power x. Okay, plus this is the second term. In the second term also, e power x is multiplied with 1 plus e power x. Therefore, this is one term, this is another term, right? In both of the terms, e power x is there, no? E power x is there in the first as well as the second. Therefore, I can take e power x as a common. Can I take e power x as a common? Because in both these terms, I have e power x. Therefore, you take e power x as common in from these both terms. Therefore, e power x, if you take outside, if so, okay, this already I am taking out. Then what you will get in the bracket? 1 minus e power x. You will have this 1 minus e power x in the bracket. Okay, from the second term, again I already taken out this e power x as a common, therefore not required to. Okay, so this e power x directly I have taken it out, therefore plus symbol is there. So plus symbol, you will get plus symbol. This e power x, however, I have taken here as a common. Then what you have? 1 plus e power x. 1 plus e power x. 1 plus e power x. Clear? Clear? By what is the denominator? 1 minus e power x whole square. Okay, okay. Then if you can see this very clearly, what are the terms of the bracket? It is 1 minus e power x plus 1 plus e power minus x. So it is e power x minus e power x. Both are the same terms, but one is positive, one is plus e power x, another is minus e power x. Both can be cancelled out, no? One is positive term, one is the negative term. Therefore, both will be, they will be, okay, they can be removed of. They can be removed because one is the plus sign, one is the another minus. Therefore, both will be, uh, they will be cancelled to each other. Then what we have actually? 1 plus 1, how much? 2. Therefore, you will have 2 into 1 plus 1, 2. 2 into e power x. 2 into e power x by what is the denominator? 1 minus e power x whole square. My dear, this is your answer. This is your answer. I hope you understood well this example. Please try. Please try and practice on your own. Please try and practice on your own so that you will get the fundamental of this. Very simple, very slowly I am explaining each and every step. It is every student should understand very well the basic concepts, how the steps are involved, and how the simplification process will take place to get the final answer. Okay, so as I am solving, you please uh, concentrate how I mean, following the step by step, step to step to get the answer. In the same way, you should follow. Definitely, you will excel. You will get the confidence. Okay, so with this, I finish off this presentation, and in our subsequent presentation, I will give you some more examples. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to give your, I mean, observations and comments and the topics which you want, so that I can cover in my subsequent presentations. Thank you very much.